Okay, Simon Vickery from Sutton, and we've had an attic extension with bifold doors, and that was it, yeah, and a bathroom, ensuite bathroom. Okay, so we wanted the loft conversion primarily because we've only got one bathroom in the house, but we thought, well, the way to get another bathroom is to build upwards. All of our neighbours have got one, so we wanted to keep up with the Joneses, and yeah, now we've got a nice bathroom and a bigger bedroom as well with it, which is great. So beforehand we looked around there's quite a lot of building work around in this area, so we were looking at a number of boards and things which were up for the building work that was being done. We also asked some of the neighbours what they thought of the building that was done, and some of them didn't have very good reviews, so we skipped those. But then we started looking around just on our own, and my partner was looking around for a good probably about a month before she found somebody. Had a few people come around with estimates and some ideas. LMB sort of came up with a good proposal, so we went with them. I think there was very good interaction to start off with, so we had a really good sort of rapport with Lee, who came round to talk us through everything, which was great. Yeah, there was, I mean, just the designs they came up with were quite good, and they seemed to accommodate everything we wanted to do, especially the bifolds and the glass Juliet balcony and things, which was great. Some of the others tended to ignore some of those aspects that we wanted. The workmen were great. I mean, I must admit, all the people that arrived on site, from the builders who did the structural work, a great team of guys, had really good sort of relationship with them. Always really clean, so they always cleaned up after themselves as well. They arrived bang on 8 o'clock in the morning every morning, and left it. They did a good day's work every day. Worked in rain and shine. We did have a tin roof, so it made it a little bit better for them. All the other guys as well, the plumbers, the plasterers, the bathroom fitters, electricians, all great people. We didn't really come across anyone that was bad, so that's quite a nice surprise. So yeah, we went with the Velux blinds because they seemed the best idea for the Velux windows. LMB recommended them as well and said they fitted. They look really nice when they're all fitted. It was just really down to us on which colour we wanted. So we just chose white because it looks nice and clean, and hopefully they'll stay that way. We've got an extra bedroom out of this, so it's going to be our main bedroom up here from now on. It's great because we've got the 2 bathrooms as well, so we're not competing when we're getting up for work in the morning. We both work in the city, so there's always a last minute rush to get into this sort of bathroom first and then get into the city. But no, I mean, it's great because we'll have parents around at different times of year, and we've got extra space for parents and daughters and all that sort of stuff. So it gives us that extra space. But also I'm hoping that in the summer we can open these bifolds, stick a table here, a couple of chairs and a glass of wine, and it'd be perfect just to watch the sun go down, because it's just in line with where the sun goes down, so we might get an extra hour of sunshine in the summer. Think carefully about the size of the bathroom in terms of the ratio between the bathroom and the bedroom sizes, because obviously a bathroom wall will come out and it comes out an extra foot, but you lose an extra foot off your bedroom. So yeah, think carefully around that. No, I think I would recommend LMB. They're very professional in the way that they do things. Easy to contact if we need to. There's people in the office. There's also people on the end of the phone if you need them. The workers are all very, 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 very good. Can't fault any of them. And they got the job done on time, so can't be happier than that.